I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going straight to settings to confirm the app still shows in battery. Once confirmed, remove the app from the home screen or from iPhone storage so the system knows it's gone. After deletion, force quit settings and restart the device. This makes iOS reevaluate running services. You're not done yet. This primes the system so the usage record becomes eligible for automatic cleanup in the next refresh window. Now you rely on iOS to refresh its battery history. The only supported, non-destructive way is to let the system aggregate a new measurement period, typically within 24 to 48 hours, so deleted apps drop out of reports. Make sure you use the phone normally and do not reinstall the app while the system updates. Once done, revisit settings right arrow battery and view last 24 hours or last 10 days. If the entry persists past 2 days, check again after a full 48-hour window. Sometimes it takes 2 cycles. If you need immediate removal and accept side effects, reset all settings will clear local statistics and often removes lingering entries. Go to settings right arrow general right arrow transfer or reset iPhone right arrow reset all settings. Make sure to back up any critical configs mentally because Wi-Fi, passwords, and some preferences are reset. If issues remain, contact Apple support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.